Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 12 Pro, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, we have to open the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, and of course it will look kind of the same in all other browsers. So let me enter the Chrome. Now we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the history. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites. Of course, if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to the particular website. But if in your case this list is so wide, then I simply highly recommend to tap on Clear Browsing Data in order to remove them automatically. So here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basic, we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So I will remove everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks, or even all time. So if you're ready, just tap on Clear Data, and as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed the browsing history. So basically that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your INFINIX Note 12 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.